So you're going to eat again, Cole? You're going to eat again? Open it. You're going to eat again. You're always hungry. Yes. Cole, always eating. And we're here now at CM Delhi. That's my son, 6'4", and he wants to have another thing to eat. Oh, ala, don't have daw. Huh? Aussie meat na lang, Cole, oh. Ayaw mo ng Aussie meat, Cole? So wala siyang gusto. So, Claudine, ano gagawin niya? Kids Club the whole day? Oh, wow! It's gonna be fun for Evan. Kids Club the whole day.
That's his request.
Oh, galing. Ayun, nagmamadali na si Evan, oh. Ito maganda sa Marriott. Merong Kids Club. But first, they have to remove their shoes. Look at this club, ah. Strictly for kids. Oh, look. Oh, wow. Evan is going to have... Uy, they also have billiards in the Kids Club. They also have billiards, oh. You're going to play? You're going to play with the kids? Oh, there, look at them. Kids Club? Cool. Ikaw, ano mag-Kids Club? Ayaw mo? Ayan, may iwan na si Evan sa Kids Club. Oh, si Cole, you want to play tennis naman, Cole? Okay. At least pwedeng iwan ng mga bata sa Kids Club, oh. Oh, sexy. Ano oras mo babalikan? Ano oras mo babalikan? Ano oras mo babalikan?
After 2 hours.
After 2 hours. Dito sa Phuket, if you go to the timeshare, yan, ang daming mong makukuhang libre. And enjoy your stay in Phuket. So now, we're gonna have lunch. So next time na natin kunin yung swimming pool, kain muna. Kain muna, di ba, Berna? O Cole, sino pupuntahan mo dyan? Nandiyan sila Lauralee? Okay. So sila Lauralee pala nandito nagsiswimming, no? Ayun si Lauralee Baron. Yes. Oh, dito, Kids Club. Ano, swimming pool. Oh, sino to? Oh, Lauralee. Hello, how are you? Kanina pa kayo dito? Yes. They're enjoying their sunbathing. Oh, dito, pambata. Pambata yung swimming pool. At yung mga pang-adults on the other side. Hiwalay. Yun. Mas tahimik doon. Tingnan natin kung maikutan natin yung kabilang pool. Yes. Maikutan natin. So, sinihiwalay nila yung adult pool at yung mga kiddie pool. Para nga naman hindi masyado maingay dahil maingay yung mga bata, oh. Nag-slide. Dito, yung adult pool. Meron namang isa ron, isa pang pool sa may dulo, another adult pool. Yes. Mas maganda dito rin, oh. Kasi nakikita mo yung dagat. Yes, ang ganda ng view, oh. Lalo na pagka sunset. Kitang-kita. Yes, it's a very nice pool and you can really enjoy staying here the whole day. And if you go left, ayan yung ginagawang fire dance at night. Yes, maganda talaga itong Phuket Beach Club. So balik tayo kanila Lauralee, just showing you how beautiful this Marriott Phuket Beach Club is. And anywhere you point your camera, it's very, very nice. Meron lahat. Pang matanda, pang bata. At kung gusto mo ring kumain, there's a lot of restaurants. Okay, so tawag na tayo ni Madam Berna Baron. Napaikot tuloy. because we had to look for Laurelie, who will be having lunch with us. Uy, nag-slide yung bata. This is the complimentary, right? Yeah. But nothing inside now. Later, huh? Okay, later. Okay. Yes, they have complimentary ice cream. Pero naubusan siguro. We are almost every year nandito kami. No, Berna? Almost every year, no? Oh, now every other year na. Dati every year. Oh, pero maganda talaga siya. Oh, kahit dito sa angle na to. So, yun, no? Yung mga villas niya paikot sa buong resort. Ganda. Very relaxing. Aba, may dive center pala rito. Bago tong dive center. Okay, so this is totally new. Oh, Sea Beast Diving, huh? All right. It's being run by Sea Beast Diving. So that's the view of the ocean. If you don't like to swim. Sarap ng hangin. Ganda ng mga puno. Minsan di na kailangan ng umbrellas. Okay. So, we're on the way to the restaurant. Berna, ito yung mga villas niya sa swimming villas niya na may sariling swimming pool. Oh, yes. Ano sila? Very private. Tsaka pinakamalapit siya sa dagat with private pool. I'm sure. Siyempre, dahil malapit sa beach, mas mahal yung mga yan. So, dito may boardwalk. If you want to go around the resort, left is the ocean, and on the right are the villas. At dito sa dulong-dulo, we used to have our villa here, dulong-dulo, with your own private pool na walang mga batang pwedeng maligo. Yes, ito na yung pinaka quiet area. Look at that, huh? How nice. Diyan ka nag-swimming, talagang tahimik. Bawal ang mga bata at may sariling pool. Okay, so if you are wanting to have a massage, just go outside the beach. Eto na, beach massage by the locals, and it's much cheaper. Look at the price, huh? Yes, 500 baht for 1 hour, and you have a massage by the beach. So you will come back? Hello, how are you? So nice to be in the beach, huh? Very nice. The wind is very cool, and that's where you have the massage. Okay, bye-bye. We'll come back, huh? We'll have to eat first. Maganda. Si Marriott Phuket. Kasi they have beachfront and they have fantastic villas. And this is to show you how noisy the waves are. Yes, maganda siya dahil maingay ang kanyang waves. Mahirap lang mag-swimming kasi yung mga waves masyadong mataas. But it's gonna be nice to look at. Okay, goodbye for now. Here at the Marriott Phuket Beach Club. The Maicao beachfront of Phuket. It's a very long stretch of white sand. And right here, we're going to have our lunch. Because we can smell the breeze and enjoy the ambience. At murang-mura lang kumain dito by the beach. Kasi mga locals ang aming kakainan. Ito na, yung local food. At nadidinig mo yung waves, ano? Siyempre, pag local food, mas mura. Pag sa loob ng hotel, mas mahal syempre. Oh, ayan, oh, ang ganda. Lalo na sa gabi, ang ganda ng setup nitong mga local restaurants na to. Kaya buti, hindi nagre-reklamo yung mga hotel. Ito na, Micah Wheel Bar Seafoods. Ito palang pinili ng mga anak ko, sila Berna. Si Berna, my wife. And this is the food. Tingnan natin. Micah Wheel Bar. O yan, average food niya is about 200 baht lang. Hindi mo yan. Uy, merong oyster, oh. Very good. May oysters. Oh, yung mura-mura, may 150. Oh. Tapos, ano pa ba? May sweet and sour pork. So, galing, ha? Oh, kompleto. Meron pang mga lobster, pero I'm sure medyo mahal na yan. Sipin mo local food with local ambience. Ayan ang ambience. Hello.
Hello, welcome.
Yeah, we're eating. Yeah, we're eating with my family with a nice view of the ocean. Look at this, oh. Buti lang, pinipili nila, mga bumurahin lang. Oh, ayun si Berna Baron with Cole and Claudine. Lauralee. Sino kasama mo? Si Gabi, ano?
Yeah.
That's Gabi, yes.
Go back to the pool area.
Okay.
Walang steam rice na tayo?
Sharing naman, di ba?
Sino bang kakain ng rice? Okay. How much is one big bowl?
How much is one big bowl of rice? How much?
Ayan, order na naman ng pad thai, si Claude.
With prawn?
Good, magaling umorder.
And then
Thai
salad
food.
with prawn?
Pad thai with prawns.
Spicy daw.
Medium spicy. And then,
So, ano yung food na dumating?
ay, nag-order
Claude?
din akong papaya salad eh.
Claude, ano yung food na dumating
Parang ganun
dyan?
din ang itsura.
Ano yung food na yan? Ano nga yan?
Green curry,
Oh, yeah?
Salted eggs with.
glass noodles, and salted eggs with. Tsaka yung order dito malalaki. Yung kahapon na order, ang lilit.
Green curry.
Ganun.
Meron pa tayo, steam fish, di ba?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll wait for that.
Yung nice. Kuha ka
Oh,
ba?
sige, kuha mo ako. Masarap, ha? Sige. Yan. Sige. Okay, good. Ano naman yan, Berna?
Squid.
Oh, squid. Oh, good. Ayan. Coconut juice. Imbis na tubig.
May bago kami
At least mura dito. Kasi local food. Oh, more food coming. Oh, buti na lang, mura dito. More food coming. Ayan, papaya salad. Oh, papaya salad, ha?
Thai food. Thai,
Yung isa yung katabi ng papaya salad, pad thai.
Paborito ng baby.
Ano pala yung steam fish, oh? Katabi ni Cole, oh. Nako, yun ang pinali. Oh, wow. Baka masarap. Yan.
Masarap in fairness.
Isa mo na, Claudine. Cole, did you have fun with the food? Ha? Walang thank you, Papa? Okay. Ikaw, Mama, had fun with the food?
yeah.
Oh, okay. Ikaw, John, do you have fun with the food? All right. Ikaw, Claude? Oh, very good. Ito, the best. Oh, the last part, mango sticky rice. Very good. Naku, that would stick to your teeth. And it's delicious, huh? This part, we were having lunch by the beachfront of Marriott Vacation Club sa labas lang para sa local at mas mura.